Hey, what's up guys, Christian over at Enfig Car Stereo. Today we're back with this BMW 3 Series, the E46, and we're going to show you how to install the new Enfig BMTS BTA-AUX. So BMTS is a truck connection cable, and then we have the short one, so because we're not running it up front. So what this does, this will plug in directly into the connections behind here, and then it has an aux which you're never going to use, and then it has an old iPod cable. This old iPod cable will connect into this Bluetooth device, and now you can stream wirelessly from the trunk to the front without having to take out that complicated radio. We'll be right back to show you how it's done. Alright guys, now to pop this out, what you're going to have to do is, there's a little black thing right there. This is our PPT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panel tool removal set. For this one, you'll probably only need the PPT, I think this is a 3. Just stick it in there. Alright. Whoops. And that pulls right out. Just make sure you can see that. So that little thing just pulls right out. Alright, and then the bottom piece comes out separately. Okay, so once you do that, there's another one over here if you want to take it out. It's not really necessary, you can get to it without it. So then you're just going to grab these panels. Trying to do it. Oh, actually, you know what? Remove this first. It makes it easier. So there's a little clip over here you pull. Alright, and then it comes right out. Then unplug it and put it out of the way. Alright, now you have all this set up. Now you're going to pull in on here, and you see how this comes right out? And then you're going to just pull on these panels over here. Just pull this one down. So once you clear that over there, you clear this one. Alright, so that one pulls out from behind there. Then you're going to pull from behind there. Clear that one. It's a lot easier when you're not trying to shoot it for video and show everybody without getting in the way. So that lifts. Alright, now, once you got that open, you're going to pull over here. You see this big ball of wires? That's a CD changer connection. So you're going to unwrap this. Think they put enough tape in here? Alright, and you're going to open this up like a tamale. And there's your 3 and 6 pin CD changer connections. Alright, so our adapter plugs into here. Oh, make sure it's all the way in. You see that wasn't all the way in? Okay. Pull it, make sure it's in. Oh, that wasn't all the way in either. Oh. Alright, so give it a nice little squeeze. It's all the way in. Now, let me figure out where I'm going to mount this thing. Alright guys, our next part of the install, what we've decided to do is mount this behind the cavity, and then we're going to run the cable out. So I'm going to use this to drill a hole. I'm going to put a hole right here to run the cable through, okay? I know that's not big enough, but you always want to check because you don't want to drill a hole too big for no reason. Alright, so get that out of there. So there we go. Cable goes through. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now that we did the hole, we're going to wrap it, attach the adapter right here. It's a nice sturdy harness. You know, it's not really going to bang around, which is perfect. You don't want this thing, you don't flopping around and it's going to break. So first thing you do is you're going to first run the wire. Don't make the silly mistake I almost just did. And then you're going to plug this in here. Oh, and by the way, so this is the this part is made for us by Denshin. Denshin does a lot of the OEM adapters and stuff. They make this specific for us, so you can't buy this anywhere else but Enfig. So this you're going to go over here, and you're just going to tape this right here. All right, so we do that so it doesn't shake out. Leave a little so it doesn't, you know, flex too much. You don't want it tighter than that. It's about as tight as you want. That actually might be a little tight, but I know it's going to be okay. Alright, so next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to group all this wire right here. And now I have a zip tie. Alright. and I'm going to zip tie all of this to this harness. Hopefully my shoulder's not in the way. If it is, I apologize. I have a customer actually waiting for the car, so a lot of times I'll shoot and I'll look and make sure it's fine, but today we don't have the luxury of that time. Even though the customer is patient, I don't want it to be 6 o'clock at night and he's still sitting here over a 10-minute video. Alright. Wind's picking up. I apologize for the wind. That's my next investment, is a microphone. I had a Bluetooth microphone and all of it, and the batteries would die all the time, and then I shot a couple of videos and there was no sound, so I threw it out the window of a plane. Just kidding. Alright, so we're good like that. Don't put too much tension on anything. Here we go. So you're done. Let's put the car back together. Now this right here, I think I mentioned it before, is an iPod connection. So if you have an old iPod, you can just throw it back here, control it from the front. Alright guys, now that the install is done, I don't want to leave this thing just hanging right there. So I'm going to put a little piece of double-sided tape. I'm going to put it on here because if you put it on here, I don't want it flexing the connection. So let's put it right there. It's a little bigger than it should be, but it's okay. It's in the trunk. It's not like it's on the dashboard in front of you. I'm going to pop that right there. There you go. That's it. That's the install. So now we're going to go up front and show you how this puppy works. Alright guys, now we're back in the car. I'm going to show you how it works now. Alright, so just want to show you real quick, this is our new wireless charger. So this one clips onto the vent, but we also have the mount that goes here that holds it, and all you do is drop in the phone. As soon as you drop it, it squeezes and starts charging as long as your phone supports wireless charging. And since this adapter does both Android and iPhone, you're good to go for both, and the charger too. Alright, so when you turn on the thing, it'll say CD599. Alright, you'll say IBT. Just pair it. It'll say paired connected. There's no pin code necessary. And then you go to music. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. Now song up and down doesn't work. So you just gotta do song up and down. But this day and age, since all our phones are right in front of us, you gotta do that instead of that. It's the same thing pretty much. Alright? But yeah, that's it. Oh, also real quick before I forget, when you hit the CD button, the mode button, TR, that's your in-dash CD player, that's your AM/FM, and then that's your adapter. All right. Also, it'll play navigation prompts. Like I said, Android and iPhone ready. Pretty much any Bluetooth device will work. This is actually like a CD quality. The biggest compliment we get on this, because we've been selling this a while for Audi and Volkswagen, is that the sound quality is amazing. Like, they were so shocked at how good it sounds, which I agree. I don't ever brag about stuff because I don't like when... I'd like to under-promise and over-deliver, but this thing really sounds so good that I'm not worried about it. Anyway, so my name is Christian. If you have any questions, the website is enfitcarstereo.com. We sell, we install, we also ship worldwide. If you're a shop, we definitely do wholesale accounts. Christian at Enfit Car Stereo. Thanks for watching.